guys, today I want to introduce you to Mr. G. Now, Mr. G is a Jamaican and he specializes in hardwood floor. Mr. G has been in the business for 15 years and he has earned a reputation as one of the best in the industry. You can see from your screen, guys, some of the handiwork that Mr. G has done. He is committed to delivering quality results to his clients. Mr. G lives in New York, but he has no boundaries. He will travel far and wide to work on projects. So guys, whether you're down south, up north, east or west, Mr. G will come to you. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at those flooring, guys. Isn't that amazing? You can tell that Mr. G is a skilled craftsman. He installs, he repairs, he maintains. He does everything that has to do with hardwood floor. So guys, there's no job that's too big or too little for Mr. G. Now guys, you know Mr. G is Jamaican, of course, but he never learned the trade in Jamaica. He learned the trade here in New York years ago, and as you can see, he has mastered it. So guys, if you're interested in hardwood flooring or anything to do with hardwood flooring, Mr. G is the man for the job. And remember, reach out if you have anything for Mr. G to handle when it comes to hardwood flooring. Saying bye from me and Mr. G.